Hey guys, welcome back to the part 2 of how to code your own Discord bot using Python. Today I'll show you how to make the clear command. So here hashtag clear, it's a remark, hashtag clear is a remark. Now here write client dot command name equals within quotation write clear. Now commands dot has permissions manage messages equals true. So what will this do is it will allow only those people in your server who has this permission. So yeah, and then async def clear ctx. This is a short form of context amount equals to sorry await ctx dot channel dot send purge limit equals amount. Now save it and I'm just gonna run it. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have actually two mistakes here. One is put an at the rate in front of this, and here add an s messages. Now save it and rerun it. Now it won't show any error. Now go to your Discord. So it's online. Now see my prefix is asterisk. So I'm gonna write asterisk clear. See, it deleted two messages. Now if I do clear 10, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this message. So yeah, it will delete slowly. So this was the clear command. Hope you enjoyed it, and in the next part I will show you how to make the kick and ban command.